Hey, if you want to learn how to put LED lights, specifically Philips Hue light strips, behind your TV so it gives an indirect glow on your wall, watch this video. I'm going to show you how. It's the Philips Hue light strips I'm going to use. To determine how big your TV is, you want to measure the height and the width. And this will give you the approximate perimeter around the TV. So I'm 36 inches by 62 inches. So that's 98 inches times 2, comes out to 196. So this product here is 80 inches long. You can see that right there, 80 inches. So then that leaves us with 116 inches. And with the 116 inches, I purchased 3 of these extenders. These are the extension strips. You can see that there. And these extension strips add 40 inches. So 3 times 40, 120. So we're plenty big enough. Focus. There we go. All right, so this power adapter is, so it's about 2 inches by about 3.5 inches, and the depth you'll need to be able to plug this in, you'll need at least 2 inches of room to plug this in, maybe 2.25 inches to be able to plug this in behind your TV. So that's an important factor when deciding this. So what I have to do is I have to use a pigtail plug that will be a right angled plug, that it's a mini extension cord, typically used for holiday lights or for extending something for behind the computer, or allowing you to plug in a transformer into an outlet strip that is highly occupied. You may not have room for something like this on your outlet strip, so you would buy a pigtail plug. That's what I have to get for this TV. So this is the set. I don't really have much, but I'm going to clean just in case. Yeah, I don't see any dust on the back of mine. So I'm going to clean it just in case, and we'll let it dry, and then we'll come back and we'll begin the assembly process. That's the app that we'll be using to control the lights. And we'll just add the light strips to the same area, which we have as the setup as the living room here. Alright, so right now I'm doing a little cleaning with a wet sponge. Actually, it's a wet paper towel. And I'm just making sure I get all of the dust off of here, because I want to make sure we have good adhesion. Plug that is a low profile, and I plan on plugging this in behind the TV. This will let me reach back there and plug it in, because my outlet is right back behind the TV. So I'm using my GoPro here to capture some of this so I can see where the outlet is. So it's tough to tell, but it's back there. So again, we went over this, the transformer. This will get plugged into this extension, right like that. So this is the controller. the adhesive on the back of the strip lights is not that good. It's not really compatible with the surface here. So what I ended up doing was purchasing this adhesive, double-sided adhesive tape. Okay, so there we go. All right, so that's the back of the strip right there. There we go. All right, so this is the back of the strip here. This stuff is not that good. Even this stuff doesn't even stick to it. It's not really that tacky. So I'm adding this to the back of it. First I'll remove all of these backing strips. So this is all I'm doing is just attaching this to the back, and then I can remove the back of this, and then this is way sticky. Like clearly that's holding on right there. So then you can see that the lights are lit here, and now I can remove the backing tape and continue to affix this to the back of the TV.
Okay, so this is the end down here.
God, this tape stinks. It's giving off a lot of strong fumes. This is definitely, I don't know what you call it, stinky. And all I do is just rip that off. Sticking. What? Come on. There we go. Alright, so now we can continue. So you see it's lit. What I'm doing is sticking it to the back of the TV. Alright, so this will show up a lot better in the evening.
Hey, yeah, no cheese. You
know we're not rocking with that lactose, baby. Yeah, push that dairy product all the way to the side. Come on, yeah. Yeah, no cheese. Yeah, no cheese. We fully lactose intolerant up in here. Come on.
I don't like cheese. Where you find these? Provolone or Swiss, never buy these. You don't mind me, gotta fight me. I'll never take a bite. You can try me. You a cheddar guy, that is not me. You get knocked out like I'm Rocky. You like old cheese, but it's moldy. Try to force feed, I'll make your nose bleed. I don't like cheese. Where you find these? Provolone or Swiss, that's a crime scene. If you like cheese, we are not bros. Only salsa, all up on my nachos. No queso, I don't play yo. When it get cold, it's orange Play-Doh. How you eat that? You okay though? If you ask me, it's a